Mr. Chair, my final question.
Ah,
Ito na
I'm
po
sorry.
yung last one.
I'm
Hindi-
sorry.
hindi na po siya
That's
part
the
ng
last question.
individual.
Madam
Yes
Chair.
I'm
po,
sorry.
Mr. Chair.
I'm sorry, that's the last question.
Madam Chair, may I be recognized?
Yes, Senior Deputy Minority Leader.
I move that we terminate the budget hearing on the proposed budget.
Second.
Second.
Second the motion.
Second. Budget hearing for the office of the Vice President is hereby terminated. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to Her Excellency, the Vice President, Sarah Zimmerman Duterte, and to all the members of the Committee on Appropriations for today's hearing. Thank you very much po, Madam Vice President. May I solicit another motion from the body?
Madam Chair, I move to suspend the hearing until 1:30 p.m.
Second the
today.
motion,
To
Madam
give
Chair.
way to the hearing of the Department of National Defense at 1:30 p.m., the budget hearing is hereby suspended.